What steps are involved in winterizing a tankless water heater?
Welcome to this guide on winterizing your tankless water heater. As the temperatures drop, it's crucial to prepare your tankless water heater for the cold season to avoid costly damages and maintain its efficiency. This video will walk you through the simple yet vital steps you need to take.
Why should you winterize your tankless water heater?
Winterizing your tankless water heater is essential, especially if you live in a climate with severe winter weather. Freezing temperatures can cause the water inside your heater to freeze, resulting in damage to the internal components. Winterizing helps prevent this damage, prolongs the life of your heater, and ensures that it operates efficiently when you need it most.
What do you need to winterize your tankless water heater?
Here's what you'll need: non-toxic antifreeze, a small bucket, 2 washing machine hoses, a submersible pump, a pair of rubber gloves. These tools will help ensure a safe and effective winterizing process.
How do you winterize your tankless water heater?
Here's a step-by-step guide on how to winterize your tankless water heater. 1. Turn off the power. Safety should always be your priority. Make sure to disconnect your heater from its power source before starting. 2. Shut off the water supply. Locate the water shutoff valve on your heater and turn it off to prevent any new water from entering the system. 3. Connect the hoses. Connect one washing machine hose to the hot water service port and the other to the cold water service port. 4. Prepare the antifreeze. In your bucket, mix the non-toxic antifreeze with water following the manufacturer's instructions. 5. Pump the antifreeze. Place the pump in the bucket with the antifreeze mixture and connect the pump to the hose attached to the cold water service port. Turn the pump on and allow the antifreeze to circulate through the heater. 6. Flush the system. After letting the antifreeze circulate, remove the hoses and thoroughly flush your heater with clean water. Remember, never forget to follow the manufacturer's instructions when performing this process. There you have it. You now know how to effectively winterize your tankless water heater. Remember, it's not just about protecting your appliance, it's about ensuring the comfort and warmth of your home. Stay warm and stay safe. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide has been helpful.